Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I organize all of my laces, and I have loads of laces to organize, so I've been procrastinating to organize my laces for a long time now, so today is the day. So my idea is to put all of the laces, wrap nicely all the laces in these plastic bags, and maybe wrap around this cardboard paper which I'll cut to size to fit these bags, and I'll put some of the laces in my in these baskets, and some of the laces I will organize here. Let's do this. It's a lot. First, I'm cutting card paper to fit plastic bag size. So I have cut some of the paper for my laces. I'm pretty sure I will need more. I'll reuse these little pieces for other projects. Now I'll start wrapping all of my laces around card paper. After I wrap the lace around the card paper, I'm pinning the end so it doesn't get loose, so like that. I'm piercing holes in this plastic bag so lace can breathe inside in a plastic bag, like that. And I'm inserting my first wrapped lace inside in a plastic bag. I'll repeat same process on all other laces. So this is how far I've got. Loads of bags, laces in bags. I'm not sure if I like these baskets now because I can't really put two like lace rows in one basket. It's like that. So one row and then these kind of go on the side, which looks quite messy, I think. So I'm gonna think about different storage solution. I had these baskets like for like 6 or 7 years, so never used it. They're just a bit awkward shape, but I thought they will work, but clearly they don't look good as I thought. Next, I will be doing these laces, which is I have loads, so I have to organize those, and I still haven't started these laces. So yeah, wish me luck. So here, most of my laces all wrapped and in a plastic bag. Next, I will tackle this drawer. First, I'm emptying the drawer completely and cleaning the drawer. And next, I'm wrapping all of the laces around card paper. So I found this solution for my storage. Basically, I reused the cardboard paper and made a box so I can fit all of my laces inside in a box. Before I put all of my laces in this box, I will cover this box with this fabric, which is upholstery based fabric. Also, I decided to make dividers in this box, which you can see here, so I can organize all of my laces neatly in a row. Are you ready to see my laces? Ta-da! Oh, this makes me so happy. I'm glad that I made this box because I think those metal baskets wouldn't work and wouldn't fit all of my laces, and this looks so much neater. Also, I made these dividers between each lace row so it's nice and neat. So yeah, oh, this makes me so happy. It's just so organized. I love it. So are you ready to see my messy drawer? 1, 2, 3. God, oh, it's just so organized. It makes me happy. Yeah, I organized all of my main laces here, tulle, fabric, trimming. These are just offcuts laces, which I probably will use for small projects, and these are bigger laces there. So yeah, this makes me so happy. I love being organized. So yeah, I hope I gave you some inspiration for you to organize your workspace, your workroom, so all your materials, because when you are organized with your materials, then it's just you get more inspiration, I find it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. I'm Anita.